it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. In today's video, Julie will be sharing 10 hacks using clear nail polish that will make your life so much easier. If you love hack videos, give this video a big thumbs up and let us know down in the comments which of these 10 life hacks you'll be trying.
Hey, it's Julie. Now let's jump into the life hacks. If you have a salt shaker that you've noticed is shaking out a little too much salt, you can fix it up with a little clear polish. Remove the lid of the salt shaker if you can and apply a dab of clear polish over a few of the holes. Let it dry, then pop the lid back on and there will be no more oversalting. Avoid getting that disgusting taste on your tongue when you seal envelopes by using clear polish instead. Just apply a little bit around the adhesive part and press it down firmly to secure. Threading a needle can be an annoying task within itself, but it's especially hard if your thread keeps fraying. The solution? Apply some clear polish to the end of the fraying thread and smooth it down between your fingers. The polish sharpens the edge and makes it a little stiffer so it's easier to thread. This next hack is a must for those of you that go camping. Avoid getting your matches ruined by water by coating the ends in clear polish. Make sure to paint down onto the wooden part to really lock the moisture out and just let them completely dry and then you're ready to go. Clear polish is also great for restoring your old bobby pins that have lost the little clear pieces on the end that protect your hair from snags. Just paint a blob of polish onto the metal piece, or you can dip it into the polish as well, and let it dry over the edge of a book or a box. Now your old bobby pins are as good as new. If you've ever had a costume ring or just a cheaply made ring leave your skin green, this hack is for you. Simply coat the inside of the ring with a layer of clear polish and it'll prevent that from happening. It also prevents tarnishing. Clear polish can also be used to waterproof and sunproof garden labels. Just apply a thin layer of the clear polish over the important information on the label and let it dry. Now you have all your important details and they're safe from the rain and shine. Clear polish can also be used to fix fraying trim on purses or wallets. Use it like glue to secure the piece back into place and then seal it in with an additional layer to lock it down. You can protect your rhinestone jewelry from falling out by reinforcing the stones with a little bit of clear polish. Use a small amount and make sure you go around the edges to really lock them in place. And lastly, you can use clear polish to reinforce loose threads on a button. Make sure excess threads are trimmed, then just paint the polish over the thread and the button. Now your buttons will stay strong and in place. And that's it! Let us know down in the comments which of these hacks you already use, or if you have any other ideas for clear polish. And if you'd like to watch more helpful CutePolish videos, you can click on these boxes here, and click on the circle here to subscribe for a new CutePolish video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal channel, just click on the little circle here.